Alright guys, check this out, the NZXT H510. This case has been making waves, and for good reason. It's compact, sleek, and surprisingly affordable, making it a fantastic option for anyone building a new PC or looking to upgrade their existing setup. First impressions? It's a looker. The minimalist design, clean lines, and tempered glass side panel give it a premium feel without the premium price tag. And speaking of that tempered glass, NZXT has made installation super easy with a single screw design. No more fiddling with 4 tiny screws. Now, let's talk functionality. The H510 supports mini IDX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards, giving you plenty of flexibility in your build. Inside, you'll find NZXT's patented cable management system. Trust me, this is a game changer. Pre-installed channels and straps make routing cables a breeze, keeping your build looking clean and organized. No more messy spaghetti wiring. Cooling is crucial in any PC build, and the H510 delivers. It comes with 2 Air F1 20mm fans pre-installed for optimal airflow. Plus, the front panel and PSU intakes have removable filters, keeping your components dust-free. And if you're planning on water cooling, you're in luck. The H510 supports radiators up to 240 millimeters, and NZXT has included a removable bracket to simplify installation, whether you're going with a closed loop or custom loop setup. One of the standout features of this case is the front I/O panel. It includes a USB Type-C port, which is a huge plus for modern peripherals and fast data transfer. No more hunting around the back of your PC for that elusive Type-C port. Building in the H510 was a genuinely enjoyable experience. Everything is well laid out and intuitive. Even if you're a first-time builder, you'll find this case easy to work with. The cable management system, in particular, makes the whole process so much smoother. So, is the NZXT H510 the perfect case? Well, no case is truly perfect, but this one comes pretty darn close. It ticks all the right boxes for a budget-friendly case. Great looks, excellent cable management, solid cooling options, and a modern I/O panel. If you're looking for a stylish and functional case without breaking the bank, the H510 is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic value and a great foundation for any PC build. I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the H510 and what cases you're currently using. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC hardware reviews.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.